Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to make any Google Drive file available offline, whether you're on desktop or mobile. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. First, go ahead and sign in to your Google account. If you're already logged in, you can skip ahead, but if not, just use your usual email and password. Once you're signed in, open Google Drive. You'll see all your folders and files right there on the dashboard. All right, so on desktop, whether you're using Chrome, Edge, or whatever, just right-click the file you want to access offline. You'll see an option labeled Available Offline. Click that, and Drive will download the file quietly in the background. If you want several files offline, you can select more than one. Just hold down Control or Command, click each file, then toggle the same offline option. It saves a lot of time. To keep things easy, you can also make an entire folder available offline. Just right-click the folder and flip on that offline toggle. All the files inside will sync automatically, so yeah, pretty handy. On mobile, the steps are almost the same. Open the Google Drive app, tap the three dots next to any file, and choose Available Offline. Google will download it to your device so you can open it without internet. And if you want to quickly find your offline items, just tap or click the offline section in the left menu. Everything you've marked will show up there. And that's pretty much it. Now you can open your Google Drive files anytime, even without a connection. Thanks for watching, and hope this helped.